I almost forgot. This is another superfood. And it grows throughout the whole year. What a blessing, right? This is cacao. Look how much this tree produces. This produces cacao beans. And cacao beans is the second most nutritionally dense food in the planet because of the amounts of fats it has. I think it has, I'm not sure, but it's probably around 60 something percent fats, right? So they have more calorie density. They have the second most calorie density, second only to avocado. And it's so delicious. It's an incredible source of magnesium. It likes to grow in the, it can grow in the shade. It's shade tolerant. So even after you think that all the sunlight is taken, you could always plant a cacao tree somewhere. Like this one. This one is in partial shade, yet he is thriving. I think they even like it better when it's partially shaded. Unbelievable superfood.